Hello, my beautiful, divine, feminine women. How are you? My name is Sheree. I am going to be sharing with you guys some products that I have. I am going to be creating some spiritual kits that will be for sale real soon. I'm so excited to be sharing these kits with you guys, and crystals and candles and just different tools that I feel are important, or that will help anyone that's on a spiritual journey. Just some little simple to help you get through, because I know spiritual warfare is heavy. The attacks are, it's crazy. It's insane. So, um, just some things that I use. Y'all see my rose quartz? I gotta keep it on me. It makes me feel so good. But yeah, just some things that I use to help me along the way, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So right now we're gonna be doing some unboxing. My product line is called Beauty Aligned, and I chose that name because I feel that it is very fitting for where I'm at in my life right now. I'm currently on a celibacy journey, and when I tell y'all, it's been tough. But I just want to challenge myself for clear mindset and just to have more control over myself. So, yeah, I'm challenging myself, and I know I'm not the only one out here that's, on these kind of journeys. So I just wanted to put together some things that have helped me along the way, and that I feel can help other people or other women, men too, but women especially. For a long time, I wondered or would ask God, what's my purpose? What's my purpose? I've always loved helping people. So I chose the career path of becoming a nurse, which I am a nurse. And now that I know what my purpose is, which is to help people, that's what I want to do. So, and then I'm big on beauty. I'm so particular about like my brows, my eyelashes, make sure I got on lip gloss, and I just like to look good, because when you look good, you feel good, right? And I know, at least for me, I know I do. When I look good, my hair done, my lashes, my brows, I'm elevating high. And I want to do that at all times. So, yeah, I try to make sure that I, keep myself up. I mean, sometimes we have down days, but, for the most part, yeah. So, like I said, I'm big on beauty. So, and now that I feel like I'm in alignment, beauty align. And that's it, beauty align. So I'm excited to share my products with you guys and my kids. So let's do some unboxing. So these are just some little thank you stickers that I'll be putting on boxes. And also, you guys, I do want to let y'all know everything is handmade and made from, well, let me say this, the candles will be handmade. And I will be setting the intentions depending on the kit. I also will have like individual candles for sale as well, just depending on like whatever, whatever I feel called to do, whatever type of candles I feel called to make. But yes, they will be handmade, and also I will set intentions for everything, because I want to make sure that when you guys do receive your kits, that they are for the intention is set for the intended reason, whether it's celibacy, spiritual growth, and I'm still, coming up with kits. Right now, I'm going to just start off with 2. So the first kit I'm going to start off with is the Sacred Power Activation Kit. And it is basically for anyone that is on a celibacy journey, and you want to tap into your sacral chakras and just align with your body. Pretty much, you tending to your body, treating your body like a temple. I will also have some digital affirmation cards that will be on the shop as well, and you guys will be able to download those affirmations for a fee, or they can be included in your kit, just depending on which ones you get. The second kit that I'm going to have, it is the Beauty Glow Kit. And it is for my divine feminines that want to radiate beauty from the inside out. And like I said, these are spiritual kits that will include things to help you along your journey. So these are some rose quartz crystals. They pack this stuff up tight. Bubble wrapped and everything, y'all. Oh, look at these. These are so pretty. I love rose quartz for self-love. Make sure y'all practicing self-love. Can y'all see these? They look clear on the camera, but yeah. Make sure you're practicing self-love. Love yourself first, always. Always. I should have got like a little trash bag or something. Put all this stuff in. Alright, and then these are amethyst crystals. That'll be included in the kit. You see this? They double bubble wrap. I need to get this stuff open, y'all. Look at these. These are pretty. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. Yes, I love these. So excited, you guys. I'm kind of ready there. Now these are the saline sticks that will keep your crystals charged. I also recommend charging your crystals during the full moon cycle. You can put them in your windowsill. Make sure you cleanse them with moon spray and charge them up during the full moon. That just gave me an idea. Maybe I should make some moon spray. So yeah, these will be in the kits to keep your crystals charged. So this is moon spray, you guys. This, I did not make this. I don't have rights to this. But I purchased this from a store near my home. This is what I use to charge up or to cleanse my crystals. And then, like I said, you can put your crystals under the full moon to charge them up. But yeah, I think I'll make some of this to include in the kits as well in the future. But yeah, also going to be making my own protection oil. Yeah, I'm going to be making my own protection oil. I have to get the stuff to do so. But yeah, coming soon. I got so many ideas of more kits that I'll be adding to the site, and just different things that I wanna do to help you guys. And like I said, this is for anyone that's on a spiritual journey, such as myself, especially my divine feminines. And like I said, these are the things that I use that I deem to be helpful for me on my journey. So I wanted to share with you guys. Just get some of this stuff out the way. I almost do something else. These some clear quartz crystals. They are good to have for clarity. And they clear. Yeah. Got a little runaway. All right, you guys. So I believe this is my candle making kit. That I ordered from Amazon. And I think I opened it upside down. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna take out all the stuff that's in here, but this is my candle making kit. Yeah, off of Amazon I ordered it. Let's see what this is. Okay, so these look like the boxes for the kids. Not major. I just gotta put those together. crystals. Alright, so let's see what this is. And y'all, I don't order so much stuff. I don't even know. Oh, these are my glass bottles. I'm gonna put the crystals in. Okay. They made sure ain't nothing come to me broken up. Cause period, clocked it. But no, for real. I appreciate that. I do. So yes, like I said, I'm making these spiritual kits for you guys. And each kit will have crystals. They'll have the charging sticks and a candle. They will all be set for their intention. And you guys can use these for your rituals, or if you're journaling, meditating, or you can just keep it with you when you need a little extra boost to just keep you vibrating high. And that, you know, for me, I always want to vibrate high. I want to operate as my higher self. I want to embody that. So yeah, like I said, I keep my rose quartz on because it makes me feel good, and I'm so big on self-love now, and just like intentionally but actually loving myself and enjoying my alone time or sitting with myself. It helps me so much, you guys. It really do. But yeah, so these are the little bottles that I'm gonna put your crystals in, your sticks to keep them charged. I did order something else, some dried flowers. They didn't come. They canceled my order. But yeah, so I'm gonna find those for the next kits. But I got y'all. Stick with your girl. I got you. Yes, I am so excited, you guys, to put these kits together for you guys. Make sure they set up nice and beautifully, and I can't wait to make some candles and put those in the kits as well. And like I said, I'm gonna start off with 2 kits for now. Sacred Power Activation Kit, and then the Beauty Glow Kit. And like I said, each kit will have crystals in it and a candle, with the intention for you to just tap into your divine feminine energy and vibrate as your higher self and protect your mind, body, spirit. Big on that. What else? Also, the kits will include affirmation cards, and like I said, they'll also be available on my shop to digitally download. But yeah, I'm excited. So stick with me. Your girl got some stuff coming in the future. Like I said, some ritual oils that I want to work on. I'm gonna work on moon mist spray as well for the crystals, and bracelets. I'm gonna do some crystal bracelets and necklaces possibly. Yeah, I want to help you guys as much as I can, because somebody helped me. Somebody helped me. Yeah, okay, sorry. Somebody pulled up. But yeah, somebody helped me. A really good friend of mine, she really helped me tap in. Shout out to her. She knows who she is. But yeah, she really helped me tap in and just really work on my self-love, work on loving myself more. And just vibrating high. That's it. That's all. I just want to vibrate high. That's it. But yeah, I got y'all. Thank you. Talk to you guys later.